Hello. Is there ever even a Cassie stream without technical difficulties? Oh, hey. Yes. This works, right? Yeah, it seems like it. Hello, welcome back. Are you even ready for that? Where are we going? We are going to see... oh, is that an airplane? Oh, you see it? You see the plane? Looky, looky. It's flying. How nice is this? Hey, gadden! Oh, nej! Yes, we're going in here. It's my plan for you people. I heard a peacock in there. Do you speak any French? No. Zero French is happening. So we're gonna check out things. Parc Phœnix entrance. Do you speak any French? Welcome to Nice. I will be your guide this fine day. Look how nice! I'm gonna film some filming. We are just woken up in Nice, and today we're gonna see Parc Phœnix. This is double contenting. Hello, bus. I'm very sorry. Looky, looky. Can I take a picture of myself? I'm a tourist now, so I can be as cringe as I want. Maybe here. Guys, you're gonna be cringe with me. Oj, helvete. So like a picture in front of the nice flowers, like this, without other people in the background. I feel so cringe. Am I cringe? Say no. I don't know. I don't know how to not be cringe. It's like my natural state, you know. I just love the vibe here. It looks warm. It is not super warm right now. I think it's gonna be 20 degrees. This is very close to the airport. It's called Parc Phœnix. And we are gonna check it out. You're jelly? You should go back here. It takes like 2 hours to fly. So easy. Is it now when I realize, oh, you're not supposed to film anything in here? I don't know what this means. Less balloons. You cannot bring balloon. Or balls. Entré. Okay. Don't go on a Segway and you will be fine. Cassie 1. Cassie 2. Can I buy a ticket here? Touch the screen. Billet. Yes. English. I want to have the free one. Adult price. €5. Donation just kidding. Validate the order. Printing. Yes. We're doing it. Nice. Okay. You blip it here? Am I stupid? Right? Yay, we did the thing! Oi, let's take the main road. Look how nice! Oh, flamingos! Guys! Flamingos! Oh my gosh! I have to film them. Look at them. You have no choice. This is nice. Yeah, worth it. swingers nearby. You are so funny. Did you know? It was quite recently that I learned swingers equals flamingo. No, the other way around. The leaves are so big. How are they that big? I think you can go outside. Well, maybe not here, but do I look nice today? I feel like I look nice. Say yes. Oh. Can I do a cringe moment again? Look! This is so cool! Ooh, also it's really warm in here. I'm probably gonna take my clothes off soon. I'm so glad I decided to do this. Nature. Oh, we can go outside here. Looky! Yes, kick the bird. Oh my god, guys! Did it die? A bit buffery, but it works. Wow. So this is like a park where you can park. I think today is gonna be a really warm day. This is bamboo. I gotta figure out what the real IRL streamers are using for internet. Okay. We are exploring a... Is that an elephant? It's like a tropical park-ish. Just walking around with my selfie stick. The selfish stick. I'm just amazed by all the plants they have here. We have a grayson. Wow. Bird. How hot is it? I would say 18 degrees. I have to take a picture of bird. That's how it works. Yes, very nice. There's a ducky. They have pigs here, like a Swedish summer. But it does feel warmer. It feels really hot. A little grease. Oh my god, a mini pony. A little cheval. Everything. Pigeon. Nice. So he says, oh my god. Chicken. Oh, little tortoises. Look at them. They're doing their thing. Guys, I'm so happy to be here. Bird Park. Do they have ostrich? That's a rat. I don't think he's part of the... He just vibes. Is that what is that butt? Bird butt. Is that an ostrich? Nandu. Herbivore. Thank you for that. Oh, he's coming. Guys, he's coming. Hello, sir, or madam. I don't know. You are looking very fine today. You doing good? Yeah? Doing big bird stuff? Do you know you're related to dinosaurs? Has anyone told you that? It has a blue eye. Very, very polite. Thank you. Are you allowed to feed them? If so, check if they want kebab pizza. Yes, probably. It's a nice and hot early day in France. Oh, what's this? Paddle party? Hey sir, you want kebab pizza? It's a Swedish, it's a national dish of Sweden. What's this? What's this? Oh, I really want to swim. Do they have birds here? This park is just lovely. Sadly, it's ruined by children, like in all the places ever. Oi, oi, oi. I almost stumbled. Should I? Yeah. Chat, I'm putting you here. We have to get undressed, fam. And don't forget microphone. Ah, freedom! Not cringe, not even once. We also have to water ourselves. I do have some water. I think I'm gonna drink a lot today. Alcohol. I'm kidding, of course. Chat, you're so serious. Chill out. This is water from Sweden. I brought the Swedish water with me. It's 11 now. I'm gonna go to Antibes. I'm gonna be in Antibes at 2. I'm gonna go to Antibes and check out the boats and try to get a job again. I was here 2 years ago, but according to my YouTube upload search history, I was here like a week ago. So I'm here for a new chance, and this time I'm gonna stay in Antibes and actually focus on finding a job. Day job I'm looking for to get experience on boats. And this time I'm not gonna like, oh, let's go to Monaco, oh, let's go to Italy, let's travel the world. I need to buy some sunblock for my skin, my delicate, precious skin. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's children just screaming their lungs out. Why are they doing that? It's absolutely insane. I have a better backpack this time also. That's good. Hopefully no foot issues. Yeah. This time I'm not gonna walk to Antibes from Nice. So not as much walking. Ass. This is very peaceful. Besides all the train noises and children and yes. I am so glad I went in here. Just a bit questionable about the internet connection, but you guys are gonna have to live with this. What can I do? I'm just a girl. Wow. Yes, please. There's supposed to be swans here. I haven't seen any. Oh, I think this is the entrance to a museum. Are these swans? Swans from Temu. No, I'm kidding, you look really nice. So I think this is like an art museum. Oh, look at the airplane. Nice. Fly high in the sky, little guy. Whoa. Bye. I don't like it when they do fast turns as fast as they have gotten up in the air. At least when I'm on the plane. The fast turn is the most fun part besides landing in crosswinds. Ah, crosswinds, don't get me started on crosswind. It was my plane. My plane here from Sweden was delayed 30 minutes because of strong winds. And the plane actually did a bit of turning when it was time for us to get up in the air. And and it was just very, very scary. Very, very scary. There's lots of French people here. In France? That's insane, Cassie. Have you learned any French this year? Nope. Buongiorno is not French. That much I know. Porcupine. Porc epic alla crete. Hystrix cristata linnae. Oh my god, there he is, guys! That's a porcupine. I have never seen that in real life. He's eating a beet, I think. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Basically a spicy guinea pig. I have been hand feeding a few of those. You have? That's such a flex, actually. They really like bananas, carrots, and jeans. That's funny. Is that like the stable diet for them? Banana, carrots, jeans. Oh. Jeans. The people here are not so... They don't have like personal bubble like I do. Oh, it's a kletterbane. I'm too scared. You can climb the wall. Oh no, Dojan. Whose Doja is that? I just hate how AI pictures is a thing everywhere now. In France. Frankrike, as we say. Egg hunt. We're going up, it seems. I want to hear Cassie say the word for egg in French. It's uvu, uve, uvu, ueve, uve. I can buy myself flowers. Talk to chat and be cringe. Guys, I have zero stamina. I am so sorry. Can get a pretty good view here. Enjoy. Everyone must enjoy. Äggjakt. Chasse out. Woofs. Woofs. Chase, aux, oufs. No problem. Actually, zero problem. Oh, that's my hotel. I have checked out from it, but there it was. I mean, it's still there, but it will go on without me in his life. Can you believe that? They won't even remember me. They will not remember I was there. Because I'm just a girl. They were like, remember that girl who was there yesterday? And they were like, who? Exactly. At least it's not 30 to 35 degrees here. Jesus, bird. Shut up. The last time I was here it was August and it was incredibly hot. Now I think it's gonna be around 20-ish degrees, which is a bit more humane. They have their child on a leash, I appreciate that. Ooh, this cacti. That's how you say it, right? Correct. Cactusen, not the cactussi. Wow. Hello, chat. That's a peacock. It feels wrong to pronounce that word, but that's what they're named. For some reason. Do it cringe. That was nice. Is this aloe vera? Serre hibiscus. Is this legal? I don't know. Oh, you pushed the door. That's stupid. What's in here? Oh, it's a snake. I see him. Is he a snake? How do doors work? I thought it was one of those automatic doors that just... Oh, he's moving. Snake. Do the Harry Potter. Oof. Python Royal, not the python from Temu. No, sir. Just a lot. Oh, I see it. Hibiscus is there. The red flower. I think hibiscus is one of my favorite flowers. Top 3 flower breeds. Oh, what's in here? Ser iguanas ostitis. It's a bit small. Who's this? Pretty warm. I am not used to this heat. Ah, eating in his food bowl. Oh, iguana. I love iguana. Where is he? Oh my god, he's right there. There he is. Iguana. Doing his thing. He was there by the bowl. He was so... not cancer. Camouflage is the word. Here we have Mr. Iguana and the tortoise, tortimer, another tortimer. Yeah, he's moving. He's doing the thing. These are banana trees, are they? Palmträd. I like it. He has a red head, like Maori. They really have crocodiles here? Crocodile de Morellet Crocs, like the shoe. Oh, there he is. You see? Very chill. Krokodil du omelett. Omelett du krokodil. He's swimming. I don't know if this is a good angle. I can't see what I'm doing. You got the VIP view, guys. Oi, crocs are short for crocodile. Nah, that's not it. Oh, he's gonna enter him. Fine couple crockers. I didn't see the monkeys, that's okay, it was so hot. Time to the cool. Oh, this is actually refreshing. Not cringe at all, right? This palm leaf is as big as me. But being a tourist is that you can be cringe for as much as you want. Say hi to my relatives in the ape exhibit. That's really funny. Oh my gosh, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie. 2025 has been great this far. I have moved to Gothenburg. That is flamingo sounds, yes. They're eating flamingo food with their flamingo beaks. Wow. This is too pretty. Bark, bark. Cassie and flamingo. Look at him, look. They have so narrow necks. How is it possible? How do you even live with yourself? Loud bird, right? We have turtle leopard. Oh, there he is. I guess he gets his name from the skin, not the abilities of running fast. Oh, he hided. He hid the diddled. That was cringe. Look how large he is. He's like this big. This big. Good job, fish. I like it when they look like calico cats. Wake me up before flamingo. Is this the punishment puddle? They put the bad flamingos here. They don't look cool enough. I found the flamingos. They are so cool. I love them. Also, I see a rat. Where rat? It's like on that side. He's running around and ratting. Oh, I am sweaty. Fågel. Guys, I can't believe you. We are looking at leopard turtles, peacock birds, flamingos, and every one of you is like, oh, where is the rat? Can we look at the rat? Exclusive, cool animal. You see him there? You see him? He's peeking out of the thing. There, he's coming now. Chat, take a good look at little rats. It's little Remy. Did you know that rat is short for Rathu? Good, good. That's what you get. Ooh, orchids. That's very nice. Thank you. Get some water, you say. Ooh, it is really warm here. Kick a kid just for the funsies. And then just say, no English. No espan frans. Yes. Mindful. I think the flamingos has been my favorites. Oh, jävlar. Opening the door so aggressively. Schlam. I hope the train ride is gonna be nice. What time is it now in France? It's 12 in the day. No, it's 12 in the night. 12 midday, yes, lunch hour day. time. Yes. So it's for me it's the same time as home in Sweden. There's no time difference. Pigeon. What's that? What's this? What's this? Oh my god, is that a mini goat? Hello, stinker. Yeah. Goatie. Hello, sir. Or madam. Hi. Hello in French. Chèvre. Is chèvre? Is this where the cheese comes from? Yeah, this this one goat is the provider of the cheese. Chèvre. It all comes together now. Thank you. I'm educationing. Oui, oui. It's a girl goat. I can see the the girl part. No. Oui, oui. Bonjour. Imagine being a girl and rocking that beard. Impressive. Oh my god, look at that chicken. That is a silkeshöna. Silky hen. Very fluffy. What on earth is that? Is that mufflon sheep? I heard, you guys listen to me. Have you seen the movie, what is it called? The Substance. I heard that is supposed to be recorded in like Miami, but they really recorded it like in areas like this. Because if you look at the street outside, if you can see much of it, with the palm trees, it really looks like it could be like American tropic, right? I think so. I haven't double checked my facts. What are you doing for Easter? I am gonna be here in France, so I'm not gonna I don't think I'm gonna do anything other than being here. This park is absolutely beautiful. We have to find a peacock. I want to say howdy. They respond to that, I think. This is a park where you can look at things. Have I been here? Good day, mate. Yeah, typical peacock conversation, right? Oh, birdie. They have Ara papegoja. Ara blue ejanu, amazone, affront blue. You see? Oh, I see them. Oh, right, they're just here. Hello. Hello, I love you, birds. Oi, there we go. Nice. Look at how nice picture. Yeah. I don't see any other birds though. Ara the Amazonas. Yes. Oh, there's a... Yeah, time to leave. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? Gru Royal. My ears were just exploded after that. How do they live with that every day? Oh. Do you see them? You see them? You have to see them, right? There. Also, we have Ara bird. Oh, look at that! Look, doing laps. Oh my god, guys, that's a kookaburra. That's an Australian bird. That's like my favorite bird in the whole world. doing it! He's doing the noise. I'm so hyped. Hello, it's like meeting a celebrity. Kookaburra bird. Boomer's cases rule. What do you mean? Oh, the boomer case. Guys, boomer case is the best. Do not judge me. Hi, tourist girl. Looks nice and warm there. Indeed. Okay, be quiet. He's sleeping. He's sleepy. He woke up. Oh, another rat. There's so many rats here. You see him? Now I said it. This teak bag is not nice. Not cringe. Oh, Museum Asian Museum of Art. This is a dead end. We have to go back. I love this so much. Also, I can't see anything you're writing right now, so don't write anything important. Other humans are not like, oh, I'm meeting a person while I'm walking. Let's just leave some room so you can also walk. No, not at all. Ah, thank you. Oh, guys. There's some kind of lemur, right? Hi! Oh my gosh! I have to film him too. You have no choice. The boomerest of cases. Let me see your face. Yeah. Hells yeah. Eat that food. Eat that lunch. You go, girl. Yeah. It's a lemur vari. I hear a peacock that way. Is that poor ducky being drowned? Are they ducking in the water? Guys, send help. Guys. Oh my god, are you breathing? Hello? It's just pushing her down. Save her. Welcome to the questionable stream right now. This is, I cannot. Yeah, she lives. Swans are known to do that to other birds. That's pretty darn rude, I'd say. But what do I know? They are lovers. Nom, nom, nom. Are these the gloves they use to interact with these animals? Amazing. I love this park. Yeah, they put them on the animals' hands so they can't scratch you. That is actually very funny. Just have to catch them first. Airplane! Spaceship! This way, I think. I wanna see the peacocks. I am not comfortable saying that word, but it's the word of the bird. Oh, I see him. Yeah. The children saw him too. No, they're chasing him away. The bird. Desperately hiding in the bushes. Hello. Hello, Bunny Bow. How you doing? There's a bird there. The children scared him into the bushes. So you're not allowed to see him right now. Airplane! I have to film. Yeah. Almost. Oh, I see the bird. He's moving. Oh, if we go to the other side, maybe we can catch him. Yes, fam, we're gonna catch him. There he is. He ran to safety.
Yeah, we're on someone's live stream.
The life of a peacock. La way. This is an idea. A park with animals, but no kids allowed. Oh, my friend is there. Hello, friend. Hello, my brother in Christ. Hey. He has a weird stance. Yeah, 8 out of 10, I think. Look at them dino feet, though. He looks like he's on antidepressiva. You have a point. How about this one? Rate my bird. .France. Is that guy missing an eye? You only have one eye, dude. Are you aware? Bye. I think we have seen everything now. Yep, everything has been seen. Really, letting children chase after the bird is like, come on, man. I'm glad he ran to safety. Peacock is safe. We are safe. I love you guys. Oh, that's a lemon tree. I completely missed that. You see the lemons? There's a lemon tree. Look. This is elefante. We call them elephant in Swedish. I don't understand, no matter where I am, at home or traveling, children just screaming their lungs out. They are everywhere. Why do they do that? All right, let's go, let's go. It is 12:30. I don't have any stress. I would like to check out more of Nice, but I don't know where to go, really. So I guess I'm just gonna go to the train station. Oh, hibiscus. Either you cause it or children just scream everywhere. I cause it. Yeah, it could be. Wow, this is an impressive piece of wood. Guys, you get one last look of the birds. Wow. Alright, we're leaving Sorti. That's outside. That's French for outside. They don't have a gift shop here. Isn't that interesting? I would have some flamingo merch. I wouldn't even be surprised if you actually didn't Google and just knew, because you know trains. Thank you for this park. We can go that way, I think. This is trams. I know Swedish trains. I'm trying hard to not have a camera in people's faces, but people are not trying to be in the camera. Oh, French cars. Renault, Peugeot, Mercedes. People are driving like insane people here. Would you even say they are insane? Yes, I would. La 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 la. The train station is that way. We were here. This was the place we were visiting. I don't know if did I film the outside? We just left. It was very nice. I recommend. Yeah, that's good enough.